Okay, good morning, everyone. How are you all doing? Welcome to NammaKPSC. This is your 6 a.m. club. I'm Dr. Arjun Bopanna. So, hey, Gidirallaro. I hope all of you are excited for yet another productive day. I hope the past 2 days has been really good. Alva, ellaru bada chanagi ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. We have been receiving lot of messages, lot of love from the students saying that it has been helping them. Okay, 2 days alle many people are seeing a difference, and just wait for another couple of weeks and you will see how good you are. You never knew that how good you are, and this program will bring the best out of you. So please do comment and let me know how you all are doing. Let me know what are your progress, etc., how much marks you're scoring and everything. Okay, so make sure you do that. My team will respond to it over the days, at the end of the day, and make sure that we reply to each and every message. Okay, so this is day 3, guys. Okay, illi tanka we have finished polity, almost half of polity we have finished, and we have also finished October month current affairs. ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಅವರ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೋಬಿಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಎನಿ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಲಾಗ್ಸ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಿವೆಂಟ್ ಯು ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅಚೀವಿಂಗ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ಸ್, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅಚೀವ್ ಇಟ್ ಆನ್ ಅ ಡೈಲಿ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಸೊ ದಟ್ 45 days ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಯೋರ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? Okay, so let's see today's motivation. Okay, so this graph will show you, okay, what you think about your potential, what we think about our potential. We never realize how much we can do, how much we can achieve, how much we are capable of, manifesting. Okay, this is our actual potential. We, as humans, we hardly use 10% of our potential. ಈಗ ನೀವೇನೆ ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದು 2 days ಅಲ್ಲಿ how much you have achieved. Okay, just having a proper target, having a very good community. What we are creating here is a very positive community. Everybody is enthusiastic. I've seen students in our library sitting and studying these targets. My students are sitting and studying. People outside Bangalore are sitting and studying. Everybody is contributing to this positive environment. Okay, so our environment will help you to reach your true potential. We don't realize ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಅವರ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. ಈಗ you have got up, you are very sleepy, you want to just go back to your bed. Okay, make sure that you stand ground to this idea that you are going to achieve today's target. ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so this is today's motivation, guys. Okay, you don't know your true potential. Now give, clench your teeth, hal kachkondo, you try and study for that next 10 hours to achieve those targets. Okay, now do not say I cannot. Convert that I cannot into I can, and you can. Okay, let us do that today. Okay, and don't be afraid to try. If you don't try, you will never succeed. Okay, don't be afraid to fail. Try madi, give your best. If it fails, then you can find something else, but you will never regret that you tried. Okay, and always be prepared to fail. Okay, when you fail, you will learn, and then you will be able to achieve better. Iga in this past 2 days, you have put a target. There were a lot of problems you might have faced, alva. So identify those problems and try to find solution. If you had not tried only, you will never get to know what is the problem. All you will say is that, oh, I can't complete, I can't study, I can't read, I can't ankonde irtira. Unless you try, you will not know your problem. Unless you know your problems, you can't find solution. If you can't find solution, you can't achieve success. Okay, so that is the motivation for today, guys. Next, some tips for studies. Okay, so today's tip is know your limit. At the same time, I say that you need to achieve your true potential. You need to give everything, give 100%. All of that is true. But at the same time, know your strengths, and at the same time, know your weaknesses, know your limits. So when you know your limits, know your weakness, you will find automatically solutions for that. Iga, for example, nange, I had difficulty in remembering facts. I was very good in concepts. On the topic kotre adna artha madkolo ability ittu nannalli. But to remember certain facts, to remember certain data, I was finding it difficult. So I knew my limitations. I knew what is my problem. So when I know my problem, when I know my limitation, I started to find solution. Hege facts nenpitkobodu. Okay, so I will reduce the number of facts into very bare minimum, and I would repeatedly read it. Or I would convert that facts into a story, like what I told you in the yesterday's class. Or I would convert that into some kind of a micro notes. So I found solutions for that. So by knowing your limits, you can try and find solutions for that. So nimgu no ashte, are you bad in science? Are you bad in history? Are you bad in science? Are you bad in maths? So find what is your weakness, find what limits your success, and try to find solutions. And solutions are there everywhere. You have it online, you have with your mentors, you have teachers, you have courses. If you feel that I am not good in a particular subject, there are courses for it, there are books for it. There are so many ways in which you can make corrections and be better at it. Okay, guys, so that's the motivation, that's the tip for today. So let's get on to today's target. So ಏನಪ್ಪ ಇವತ್ತು target? Again, we are doing polity. Remember, in the previous class, we finished all the major topics. Almost 50% of polity is over. So next, what are the topics that we need to cover? Okay, local bodies, Panchayati Raj institution, urban local bodies. Again, very easy, simple topic, 73rd, 74th Constitution and its features. You read it. Okay, union territories, especially Jammu and Kashmir, ikkane election alla aitu. So Jammu and Kashmir Assembly, its constitutional provisions and all of that you need to remember. Okay, scheduled tribes, scheduled areas, tribal areas, that is 5th and 6th scheduled. Okay, other the salient features, which all states have it, all those things, very basic things. Then what is important in today's is center-state relationship. Okay, center-state relationship only, legislative relationship is there, administrative relationship is there, financial relationship is there. So 3 chapters, 3 headings, under that various provisions you should know. Okay, so center-state relationship and interstate relationship. I think the mistake here, interstate relationship. And lastly, emergency. Center-state relationship only, you also have emergency chapter. So study about emergency, different types of emergency, right? You have national emergency, state emergency, and financial emergencies. Okay, na? So very simple topics. Today, though, you will complete, I know. Okay, you will complete it before 5 hours. Okay, and if you have extra time, make sure ninne enadre miss out agidre, you do it or you revise. Okay, now, so this is what you need to do for the first 5 hours, or in today 5 hours, finish off all these topics. Next, focus area in this particular topic, legislative relationship important. Okay, so when all center can make law in state subjects and what are those articles, etc. Financial relationship, especially the GST, etc., which is in news. Adukoskara, financial relationship and the various provisions under in the Constitution dealing with that, please read that. Emergency provision, especially Article 360, 356, 358, 359, adalla, the difference between 358, 359, all that you need to know. And a little bit about interstate, you can read about interstate council and zonal council and who are the members, who is the chairperson and all of that. You can just make note of it. Okay, fairly important topics, okay, in polity. Okay, now, so this is with respect to polity. Current affairs, what shall we cover? Karnataka budget. Okay, so see, I have already given a broad overview of what all topics has to be covered in the next 45 days. It's already their timetable in our LMS. So Alinda, you will get a fair idea. This is in detail what you have to read. So Karnataka budget, you need to remember. So Karnataka budget odvaganu adralli important facts, important data, important schemes and programs. Okay, comparative data, graph allirodu, all those information you need to remember. So a lot of actual information will be there. So please remember that. both Kannada as well as English budget. NammaKPSC has done it, and it is available in our website for free download. Okay, if you have not read it, please download and read it now only. Or namdu Sunday month and class alli we have done Karnataka budget classes. So adu, if you have attended and you have made notes from it, this material will help you supplement that class. So this way you can do this. So this give about 3 hours. Okay, give about 3 hours, and then last 8 o'clock solve MCQ. Okay, 25 questions irutte at 8 o'clock. So you know the drill. Give the test, check your ranks, check the answers. So that will go on for about 1 hour. So 5 hours polity, 3 hours of current affairs, and 1 hour of solving. So totally 9 hours. Time idre on solpa CSAT alli yavadadru one chapter you select and you start doing it. Okay, so this is what is today's target, guys. 5 hours polity, 3 hours of CSAT, and 1 hour to solve the question and check your answers and read the answers. All right, so a lot of students are giving me suggestions as to what they want to discuss. So see, this video session is just to motivate you. On 15 minutes, I will take of your time. I don't want to waste too much of your time. 15 minutes, Ali, you tell me what else you want me to talk about. If you have any problems, specific problem, write about it in the comment. I will talk about it. I will discuss about it. If you need any particular help in any area or study techniques, etc., you please let us know. I will talk about it. Or any other suggestions to improve this initiative, please let me know. I'll be happy to do that. All right, so this is what I wanted to tell in today's video. I don't want to waste too much of your time. Go get ready and start preparing. Go to library or sit in your room, isolate yourself, insulate from all the negative thoughts, and sit and study, guys. Okay, and I shall see you tomorrow again at 6 a.m. Put that alarm at 5:30, get up and get ready and come in front of take your mobile or laptop and watch the tomorrow's video at 6 a.m. and get motivated and complete the targets for the day. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. All the best. Continue to study, and I'll see you tomorrow. See you.